Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. I'm going to show you how to use Bing AI Generator. So let us jump straight in. The first thing you need to go ahead and do is dial in bing.com/images/create. You will find yourself on this page, and on the right hand side, you'll have the opportunity to log in. Now you can log in with any email address. It's absolutely free. So the first thing I want to show you is that in the Explore Ideas, you can get some inspirations from some of the images that have already been generated. You can see just at the bottom over here, there are some frequently asked questions. So if you need a bit of know-how, it's all in there. You can see over here that if you tap on any one of these images, you will have the image open. And on the right-hand side, you can actually see its command. You can also share the image. You can save it to your collections. You can download the image. And then you can also customize the image, which I will show you in just a dash. So you can now use this. Let's say we want to copy that, and we can put it up in this bar right over here at the top. Now, this is where you create your commands. And what you can do is use some of these commands from here and actually just customize it. So you can just change some of the details. So we're going to go ahead and we are going to now create our own images. So the one thing that you need to know is that it does use credits. So creating images more quickly will boost. If you run out, image generation may take longer, but that's okay. You can purchase some of these boosts if you'd like. On the right hand side, you have a create, which is this. You're going to create this image, and then you have a surprise me, which will literally just generate a random image about absolutely anything. So we're going to go ahead. We've got this command over here, a bear dancing in a disco hall. We're going to tap on create. Now this will take a few seconds to actually create. Over here you can see they offer you some tips. So it says try an icon or a corgi typing on a computer. So basically what they like to add in here is like pixel art or realistic, hyper realistic. They might add things in like whatever style you want your images in. So over here you can see these are 4 very different styled images. You will always get 4 images when you are generating something. You can go over here on the left hand side into creations. You can see on the right hand side all of your recent creations are here, and if you want to go ahead and download one of these images, you can just tap on it, and you can see you have those same options as we had previously: share, save, download, and customize. Now if you download it, goes straight to your device. If you tap on customize, you will now open Microsoft Designer. And over here, you can actually completely edit your image. So you can crop. You've got a couple image tools on the right-hand side. You've got some visuals, some text, a brand kit. You can do a quick select. You can set as your desktop background. And then you can, of course, once you've made all the changes appropriately, you can go ahead and download it. That is Microsoft Bing's image generator, very quickly and easily. If this was helpful, drop us a like. We will see you next time. Cheers.